Hello tailoring talkers, welcome back. We are here with another unboxing, a gadget unboxing, and a gadget that I swore I would never go back to again. So without further ado, just get this outer packaging off. Yes, it's the AirPods Max 2, and I say 2 loosely because they only made one change to them. Well, 2 changes, technically. The first was that these have USB-C, and the second is that they come in slightly different colors. That's it. But why have I done this? I tried the Bose Quiet Comforts. I tried everything else. I have the Beats Studio Pro, which are fantastic, and arguably have actually got a better chip in them than this one has. But do you know what? There's just something about the comfort of these ear cups that I was missing. These are the midnight version, which is like a very, very dark, almost black, with a tinge of blue. We still have the bra case. This is the thing I hate about this. It doesn't even like close properly. You have to fiddle with it a bit. And the other thing I don't like about it is it doesn't protect this. I'm not sure how I'm gonna deal with that. The mesh on the headband actually feels like it's a little bit tighter than the first version of these headphones, which, you know, hopefully will bode well for the future, because the previous version, this mesh did get quite loose pretty quickly. So if we just take the bra off, I mean, they do feel beautiful. I mean, they're well made, whatever you think of them. And there we go. So that's the midnight blue. We have got our USB-C port here, and then we can see the little microphones. And then on this side, we've got our ear cups, which are detachable, so you can change them in future when they start to get tatty, or you can just buy a different color if you want to change the design and the look of your AirPods. The thing I do love about these headphones though is that your ear goes inside the cup rather than the cup sitting and putting pressure on your ear. So that's one thing that I'm kind of looking forward to sort of going back to, especially now it's winter, because I use my over-ear headphones a lot when I'm walking to keep my ears warm. So they're just expensive ear warmers. And then on top we've got our digital crown, very satisfying. And we have got the, I'm going to call it an action button because it's pretty much like the action button on my Watch Ultra and on my iPhone 16 Pro and my iPhone 15 Pro. But that's it. It's yeah, pretty straightforward. The hinge has got a little bit more play than the original version, which again, not a bad thing. It's got a spring there, which it's quite easy just to extend them and then move them back in, but that's quite satisfying. I've seen some reviewers complain that this is a bit loose, but do you know what? It just works absolutely fine. It feels good. This does feel a little bit more springy than the original version, so again, I really hope that is going to last a bit better. And then, in what else have we got in the box? Not much. We've got a little bit of documentation. We've got a USB-C cable here, which I'm going to leave in the box because now I've got 100% USB-C across all my Apple devices. And in here we've just got sort of brief instructions. I mean, who needs those? They're so easy to set up. And that's it. That's all we've got paperwork-wise. No stickers, which a lot of people are lamenting. I'll put those back in there. Put the lid back on. I like to keep all of my packaging so that if I sell these in future, then whoever gets them kind of gets them almost like brand new. And I will set these up later and have a listen. It's been about a year and a half since I last owned the AirPods Max, so I need to remind myself about how these sound. But do you know, I'm looking forward to giving them a go, and yeah, just sort of being 100% in the Apple ecosystem with my headphones and phones and iPads and MacBooks and whatnot. So there we go. That's the AirPods Max 2 with USB-C in midnight. We'll give these a little bit of a listen over the next 24 hours, and then I'll be back to talk about why I have gone back to these headphones and to give you my thoughts. See you on the next one.